Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to remove a repost on Snapchat. So if you ever made a repost on Snapchat by mistake and you want to remove it, I'll show you how it can be done. So first you have to simply open the Snapchat app. Once it gets open, then you have to simply click onto your profile icon, which is on the top left of your screen. You may also see your profile avatar here. Simply click onto it and your profile will open. Then you're just gonna scroll down and you will see this option, which is my favorites and repost. You will find all of your repost here that you have done. So simply click onto the one that you want to unrepost. Then on the right side you can see the icon of repost. You can see it is yellow, that means it is reposted. As you click onto it, it get white and it just get unreposted. So basically what it happens, it won't remove immediately. You have to simply get back and again go to your profile. Then you will see the repost has been removed. If you want to do it for more than one profile, you have to repeat the process, and then you will see all the reposts that you have made by mistake or might be by purpose. You will be able to remove it, and then there will be no repost left if you delete all of them. So that's how you will be able to remove repost from Snapchat. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.